Listen, long hair has nothing to do with ethnicity or genetics, but it's more about your internal health to feed the hair follicle, your metabolism for keratin cell turnover, and intentional hair care when you finally do have some hair. Your body is preset to stimulate keratin cells and produce a half an inch of hair per month or 1 inch every 60 days. Now, that's just the average hair growth rate. Your hair could grow slower, it can grow faster, but that's the fact. Take it up with God, not me. When your hair is growing and shedding 100 strands per day, don't add to that amount of shedding by constant friction, pulling, over manipulating with different hairstyles, and adding unnecessary chemicals to your hair. The client in my chair, she says she does nothing to her hair. Even through her hair journey of becoming waist length since 2013, she kept her hairstyles to a minimum, no chemicals. Well, she had a little bit of color, but besides that, she kept her hair cleaned weekly, and that was about it. So yes, your hair can grow like this, okay? So make sure to shop 12haircare.com to maintain hair health so you can start retaining some length. Do you agree Black women can have long hair without being mixed?